How to switch private account in Zoomerang. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to switch your private account in Zoomerang. To switch your private account in Zoomerang, all we need to do is open up our Zoomerang right here. Once we open up our Zoomerang right here, next thing we need to do is click on the profile on the bottom right corner right there. As you can see right now, we can see our profile right there. Press on your profile right there. There you go. So this is very perfect for those who want to be a little bit low-key and want to hide their profile, like say, but you don't want anybody looking at you or finding you here at Zoomerang, like, yeah, so nobody can easily spot you here at Zoomerang. Or if you just want to, if you're having another account and you want to hide that other account, so this is perfect for you. So once we open this up, all we need to do is click on the top right corner right here in the settings. I meant the three dots on the top right corner. Sorry guys. And after pressing on that, you will be located right here. Once you're located right here on the bottom, you will see the settings just above the cancel button right there. Then press on that. Then once we're here on the settings, all we need to do is press on privacy and safety right there. As you can see right there, privacy and safety just below the dark mode. There you go. As you see, once you're now here on the top, you will see private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and view your videos and like your existing followers won't be affected. All you need to do is press on that right there. And as you can see right now, we have ourselves a private account. If you want to make it public again, just press it again right there. And then click on OK. So there you go, guys. I will do it as quick as you can. If you enjoyed, if you have any questions or concerns, type in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it, guys. So there you go, guys. And thank you, guys.